Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Mathematics 2B Indefinite Integration chapter number 6, very short answer questions. Okay. Now question number 1 is here integral x plus 1 by x whole cube. X plus 1 by x whole cube. So here first we have the formula of a plus b whole cube. I am writing now a plus b whole cube. So here a plus b whole cube formula is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. That is the formula. So here expansion of the formula is integral x cube, separating immediately, dx plus 3 integral a square b. A value is there in x, so that is x square into 1 by x dx plus 3 integral a b square. A value is there in x, b value is 1 by x, so 3a square b plus integral 1 by x cube dx. So here we can cancel this square and this x we get cancelled, right? And here also this x and this square will get cancelled, right? Now, so here I am writing integral x cube dx plus 3 integral 1x will cancel out now, so left over 1x is there, plus 3 integral 1x here will get cancelled out now, so 1 by x dx plus integral this x cube term I am taking it to the numerator like this, right? So here we have the formula integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, and one more formula integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log mod x plus c. So here we are applying the formulas here, okay na? Right. Now dx can be written as x to the power 4 by 4 plus 3 into, again applying that formula, x to the power 2 by 2. In a sense here nothing is there, in the sense 1 is there, 1 plus 1 will goes to 2 plus 3 into integration of 1 by x. 1 by x formula is what? Log mod x, right? And x power minus 3 is there, same n value is there in minus 3, minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1, that can be written as x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. For all the functions only one constant I am writing, okay na? This is the answer for this question, right? Now go for the next question. Next question is integral a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x into b power x dx. This is the question, okay? So here this is there in the form of a minus b whole square formula. The formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here if you apply that formula, this can be written as a power 2x by a power x into b power x dx, immediately separating, okay, minus 2 integral a power x into b power x by a power x into b power x dx plus integral b power 2x by b a power x into b power x. So b power x into a power x dx. So now a power 2x can be written as a power x into a power x by a power x into b power x dx minus 2 integral second function, there is no change in this, a power x into a power x into b power x by a power x into b power x dx plus integral b power 2x, we can split it as again b power x into b power x by b power x into a power x into dx. So here we can cancel a power x, a power x, a power x into b power x, a power x into b power x, right? B power x, b power x, I cancel. So leftover value I am writing it as a by b whole to the power x. This is there, a power x by b power x, that one I am writing it as a by b whole power x dx minus 2 integral 1 dx plus integral, same thing here I am writing it as b by a whole power x dx. Right. So now we have the formula integration of a power x dx is equal to, formula is a power x by log a, right? And one more formula, integral 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Integral 1 dx is equal to what? X plus c. So by applying the formula, here I am getting a by b whole power x of integration is there, no? That can be written by a by b whole power x by log a by b, or we can write in module also, right? Minus 2 into 1 dx. 1 dx can be written as x plus same thing here b by a whole power x by log b by a. For entire the constant I am writing once. For entire the thing I am writing one constant. Okay. Right. Now go for the next question. Here the question is integral root over 1 minus cos 2x dx. Integral root over 1 minus cos 2x dx. This is the question. So here in trigonometry we have the formula 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. In trigonometry, this one we have the formula. Okay. So here, if you apply this formula, integral root 2 sin square x dx. This is equals to root 2 we can take out, right? Integral sin square. Root 2 square will get cancelled. Sin x dx. So here we need to remember one thing. Integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. So if you apply that formula here, answer is minus root 2. Sin integration is cos x, right? Already here we have written minus cos. So minus I have written before the function, minus root 2 cos x plus c. This is the answer for this question. Okay, now go for the next one. Integral secant square x into cosecant square x dx. Secant square x into cosecant square x dx. This is the question. Okay, so here I am writing secant square x can be written as 1 by cos square and cosecant square can be written as 1 by sin square. So 1 by, I am writing this function as in sin square x into cos square x dx. So this is equal to, here numerator 1 is there, here numerator 1 is there, this one I am writing identity in terms of sin square and cos square. So this is equals to integral sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x dx. So here separate the function, right? So integral sin square x by sin square x into cos square x dx plus integral cos square x by sin square x into cos square x dx. Here we can cancel the similar terms. So here I can cancel sin square x and sin square x will get cancelled. Next cos square x and cos square x will get cancelled. So here leftover value goes to 1 by cos square is there. So integral 1 by cos square x dx plus integration 1 by sin square x dx. So this is equal to 1 by cos square goes to secant square x, integral secant square x dx plus 1 by sin square goes to cosecant square x dx. So here we have the formula integration of secant square x dx is tan x. Integration of secant square x dx is tan x, and integration of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x. For everything I am writing 1c plus c. Okay, right. Now go for the next question. Here the question is integral 1 by root over 1 minus x square 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus 2 by root over 1 plus x square whole dx. This is the question. So here for this question solution, before going to take, we need to write formulas, right? So integral 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx is the formula for sin inverse x plus c, or you can write it as minus cos inverse x plus c also, depends upon the answer. Okay, next formula is integral 1 by root over 1 plus x square dx. This is the formula for sin h inverse x plus c. So here I can separate that integrals. Okay, Now integral 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx plus I am writing constant before the integration, right? 1 by root over 1 plus x square dx. 1 by root over 1 minus x square is replaced with sine inverse x plus 2 into 1 by root over 1 plus x square integration can be written as sine h inverse. So here our answer is sine inverse x plus 2 sine h inverse x. Okay. Next question. Here the question is integral e power x into tan x plus log mod secant x dx. This is my question. So here we have the formula. The formula is integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So this is the answer formula. Okay. So here the question is given by like this. So this question I am modifying e power x into log mod secant x plus tan x dx. Right. So here if you take this function as f of x, you will get this is f dash of x. See, look over here. Let f of x is equal to log mod secant x. So here I am taking f dash of x. Derivation of log x is 1 by x. And derivation of secant x is secant x into tan x. So here we can cancel secant x. Leftover value is there in tan x only. Right. So here we can write direct. So this is equal to e power x into log mod secant x plus c. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Now go for the next question. Here the question is integral e power x into 1 plus tan square x plus tan x dx. This is the question. So here according to the identity we can write 1 plus tan square x as in secant square x. Trigonometric identity. 1 plus tan square x can be written as in what? Secant square x. Okay now. So here replace that function here. Integral e power x into secant square x plus tan x dx. Right. Here again this is there in the form of integration of above question. E power x into f of x plus f dash x model. So this one here I am remaking it as e power x into tan x plus secant square x dx. So here if you take this function as in f of x, f dash x is secant square x only. So here by the formula e power x into f of x plus f dash x formula is e power x into f of x. That is nothing but e power x into tan x plus c by the above formula only. Okay na? Right. Now go for the next question. Here the question is integral e power x into 1 plus x log x by x dx. So here the given question I am separating, right? So integral e power x into 1 by x plus x into log x by x dx. So here we can cancel the similar terms. This x and this x will be removed. After removing, integral e power x into 1 by x plus log x dx. So this is equals to, we have the formula, right? The formula is integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to, formula is e power x into f of x plus c. So here if you take this function as in f of x, this function goes to f dash of x. Okay, so here by this formula we can write e power x into log x, right, plus c. This is the answer for this question. Okay.